Hi beautiful, do you want a glowing skin anti-inflammatory juice? This shot is for you. Please rush to P Love Kitchen 17 on YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel and enjoy this goodness. This is a healthy drink for skin glow. It's a healthy drink for anti-inflammatory because it has got anti-inflammatory property like the fresh turmeric, garlic. You've got a lot of ingredients in this that is healthy for you. It helps you to fight flu. It helps you to, for indigestions. It helps for cough. It helps for virus. Okay, so just go to P Love Kitchen 17 and enjoy this. God bless you so much. Subscribe to my channel, please. Do it to subscribe. I really need your subscription and watch my videos properly. God bless you. This is a healthy, nourishing glow skin for my ladies, and for the men it helps you also for the other room. Yes, it flushes out all antioxidants that you need to flush out of your system. Thank you so much guys. Subscribe. Ciao.